Want to make passive income online by creating coloring books without hiring a designer or spending hours drawing? Here's how you can do it in minutes using AI. With Colorbooks AI, you can instantly turn any text prompt or image into professional quality coloring pages. Create complete, ready to sell books in multiple niches kids, teens, adults, all from one simple dashboard. You can even convert your books into interactive 3D flipbooks or digital publishing. No design skills? No problem. There's a massive library of over 25,000 pre made coloring books with full PLR and commercial rights, so you can rebrand, sell, or give them away. Everything is cloud based, beginner friendly, and works on any device. Plus, you pay once and unlock unlimited book creation. No monthly fees, no outsourcing, and no technical headaches. Thousands of creators are already scaling their side hustles and building full time income streams using this platform. If you want to start publishing AI powered coloring books and earn passive income fast, click the link in the description to grab Colorbooks AI today. Get full access, including the 25,000 ready to sell books, and start your side hustle immediately.